Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today in this video we'll be looking at one of the problem from the interview query website, and this is a medium level rated problem. So we will try to solve this one. Given an employees and departments table, select the top 3 departments with at least 10 employees and rank them according to the percentage of their employees making over 100k in salary. And here are the two tables that was given to us. So the first table is employees table, and we have 5 columns: id, first name, last name, salary, and then the department id. And lastly we have the departments table where we have the id and the name. So this our departments table, this column in the department table is similar to our department id in our employees table, so we can join these two tables based on that column, and this is the output that they require, which is the percentage over 100k, the department name, and then the number of employees. So in order to solve this problem, the first step we need to do is we should join those two tables first. And the next thing is I need to calculate the count of the employees based on each department, and then also I need to count the employees who earn more than 100k, and also just then the basic filtering, so which is I need to check the count of employees based on department should be greater than 10. So check the count of employees in each department should be greater than 10, and then I should select the top 3 departments. So this is what we require. This will be our steps that we are going to follow in order to solve this question. So the first thing will be we will select everything, select star from our employees e, and then I will join this table based on the department's id, right? So departments d on my e dot department id on d dot id. So the first one is done, and now I need to get the department name. So firstly I will get the d dot name first. I am just taking out the normal values. So and then the count of employees based on each department, so which is my e dot id, and then I should count them. So I will use the count function over it, and next I need to count the employees who earn more than 100k. So in order to do that I can use a sum and case function. So I will use the sum of case when the department when the salary, which is e dot salary, is greater than 100k. Oops, it is 100,000. Actually it's 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5. Then I will use 1, else 0, and then I will end the statement, and I will give this as employee with 100k, and I will choose this as total employees. So what are the things that we have got for till now? We have got this as well, and then we need to check the count of employees based on each department, so which can be done by where count of EID. So actually this can be used again over there, um, where count of EID should be greater than 10. And lastly, we need to select the top 3 departments, and we need to calculate. Also we need to calculate the percentage. So now the next step is to calculate the percentage. So I will take this in the CTE, with CTE as, and then I'll open this bracket and then I will close this, and before closing we will group it by the department name. And now what we can do is we will select the first column we need is the percentage over 100k. This can be got by dividing my E with 100k by the total employees. So E underscore with 100k divided by my total employees, and I will give this as the percentage over 100k. And the next value I need is the department name, which is name, comma, or I will give this as department name, and then I will use department name over here. And lastly we need to count the number of employees, which can be taken from the total employees table, and these are coming from my CTE. And now what I can do, I already we have used this filter, and now we need to just limit the top 3 departments. So we can order this table by my percentage over 100k, and then I can limit this by 3. Let's run this. Oops, we got an error. Oops, we cannot use the group function in our where clause, so we can instead use the having clause, having count of E dot id to be greater than 10. And now let's run this. So the error we are having is it should be greater than or equal to 10, because in the question they have asked us at least 10 employees, and also we need to order it in the descending order. And now let's run this code. Oops, it should be number of employees. Should use number of employees, and similarly I will call the number of employees over here. And now let's submit it. Oops, here we should use number of employees as well. So we should rerun it again. And yeah, we got it. So I hope you like this video, and these kind of questions are really simple. The only thing is we need to partition and drill down the question deeper and deeper, and we have to make them into minor chunks, and then we should solve each chunks and get everything together. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.